We're a company based out of Dubai. We're providing schools with a vape detection technology for the washrooms. So what this sensor, what it does is, it actually picks up on the chemical signatures for vape, and then it sends anonymous messages back to the school authorities, informing them about vaping incidents happening in the washroom. There's another thing this device also does, is it also picks up on loud sounds. Now by loud sounds we mean if there is a potential fight or a bullying incident that's happening in your washroom, it also picks up on loud noises, and that message is again sent back to the principal or the teachers or the welfare managers, whosoever is getting the alerts on the system. Along with the device itself, you also get a cloud reporting portal where you can see all the alerts under the reporting platform.